To add these two rational expressions with different denominators, I'm going to have to find and re-express each of them in terms of the lowest common denominator. If x plus 6 is a factor and x minus 6 is a factor, then the lowest common denominator is going to be x plus 6 times x minus 6. So now I'll re-express this vertically. So 6x over x plus 6 plus 3 over x minus 6. And again, I'm going to multiply each of these two fractions by another fraction to equal a third fraction that has a denominator that is my common denominator. So every time I do these, I set this structure up to help me along the way. So if I started with x minus 6 and I wound up with x plus 6 times x minus 6, that means I multiplied by x plus 6. And this is a binomial, so it's going to be x plus 6 over x plus 6. Likewise, if I took x plus 6 and multiplied by something to get x plus 6 times x minus 6, that thing I multiplied by must have been an x minus 6. We need to be careful here that we are distributing over both of these terms each time. So 6x times x would be 6x squared. 6x times negative 6 would be minus 36x. 3 times x would be plus 3x. 3 times 6 would be plus 18. So now all of these I can re-express as 6x squared minus 36x plus 3x plus 18 all over the common denominator of x plus 6 times x minus 6. And now I can simplify this up here. 6x squared minus 33x plus 18 all over x plus 6 times x minus 6. If you wanted to, you could try to factor out a factor of 3 from here. That would give you another polynomial, another binomial or trinomial in here that you'd want to factor, and when you get down you'd realize that you don't have any other factors that you could cancel. So this is the most simplified form here.